Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your Bybit account. So first head into bybit.com, BYBIT. And after heading this site, you just need to click the sign up now button that you can see here. After clicking this, it will show you an interface where you can select on creating your account using your email address or your mobile phone number. But for this video, we are using our email address. You can also input your referral code here if you have one. Let's finish filling up these details. Once you have finished filling in these details, just click the create account and then complete this puzzle. Once done, it will redirect you to the verification part of this email. Now I want you to input your verification code here. Now after this verification, it will redirect you to the homepage of your account, and that's how you can create your Bybit account. And thank you for listening.